Hey guys, Vedant here. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the brand new 2020 M1 Mac Mini. These are the first generation of Apple Silicon powered Macs. They are back in the standard silver color. They used to be space gray for the past 2 years. Go ahead and crack this thing open. It is much bigger than I thought. This is my first time actually seeing a Mac Mini. Interesting thing to note, there is no pull tab on these. They usually have them on the rest of their products, but there is no pull tab on this one. So that's one interesting thing. So this one here is the 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabyte SSD. This Mac Mini has two Thunderbolt 3 ports, which are also USB 4 capable. It also has an HDMI 2.0 port and two USB-A ports. So this is powered by the M1 chip. It has all unified memory, so 8 gigs of RAM is directly on the chip. And there we go. So this box should lift up. Very slow reveal, but there it is. So we can go ahead and lift this out of here. Set that to the side. Inside we get our packaging and a power cable. Let's see what we get in here. So we got Mac Mini and a quick start guide. Pro Display XDR, that seems like. And here you can see the I/O. We'll go ahead and take a look at that in a second. Usual warranty info. And we got a gigantic, huge Apple sticker. Okay, right underneath that we have a power cable. This is nicely wrapped up here. Go ahead and set this all to the side. Let's take a look at the Mac Mini. So there we go. This is back in the traditional not space gray. This is back in the traditional silver Mac Mini color here. It's very nice, especially since a lot of new Apple computers are just in space gray. No color options available. It's just silver this year. Let's go ahead and take that plastic off. Okay, and let's pull out our Mac Mini. Here it is in all its mini glory. And we do have a covering for the ports here, which can peel off just like this. There's a look at the I/O. So here we look at the I/O here. So we got two USB ports, a headphone jack. What is that thing? A HDMI port. We have our vents. We have two Thunderbolt ports, not 10 gig Ethernet, standard Ethernet plug, power, and a power button. So let's go ahead and plug this thing in, get it booted. Okay, now that HDMI and power are connected, we can go ahead and turn on the Mac Mini. And we should hear that nice new startup sound. There it is. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for the next part of this video. I'll be comparing it and running some benchmarks like Xcode and Cinebench. And I'll be doing a full review on this. So thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe and I'll catch you guys in the next video.